To draw a 5-pointed star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To draw a 7-pointed star, 1, 2, 3, and then go to the bottom right, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do 7 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To draw a 9-pointed star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The idea is to go back and forth with the pencil, but each time turn counterclockwise a little bit until we get back to the start. So from bottom to top, and then back to the bottom again, but a little bit counterclockwise, and then back to the top again, but a little bit counterclockwise, back to the bottom, and then back, forth, back, forth, back. This works for any odd number of points. So to draw an 11-pointed star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And to draw a 13-pointed star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. To draw an 8-pointed star, start on the bottom left, 1, bottom right, 2, bottom left, 3, top right, 4, bottom right, 5, top left, 6, across to 7, and back to the start for 8. So I'll do 8 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To draw a 12-pointed star, we first start by trying to draw a 5-pointed star. So we first draw a 5-pointed star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead of going back to the start, we go somewhere a little bit off. And then we do the same thing. We draw another 5-pointed star from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, instead of ending here, we end slightly off. And then we draw 2 more lines to make it a 12-pointed star. 1, and then back to start 2. So I'll do the 12-pointed star again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To draw a 16-pointed star, we first start by trying to draw a 7-pointed star. So we first start by trying to draw a 7-pointed star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, we're ending it, instead of ending it, we end slightly off. And then again, we do another 7-pointed star from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So instead of ending here, we end here. And then we draw 2 more lines to make a 16-pointed star. 1, 2. I'll do a 16-pointed star again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this trick can be used to draw 20-pointed stars or 24-pointed stars. But how do we draw a 6-pointed star? To draw a 6-pointed star, we start from the bottom left, go to the top 1, bottom right 2, top left 3, and instead of going to the right, we go straight to the bottom 4, and then we go to the top right 5, and then back to the start 6. So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To draw a 10-pointed star, we start from the bottom left again, top 1, bottom right 2. And then we go to the top left 3 and zigzag to add 2 more points, 4, 5. And then we go to the bottom 6, and then to the top right 7. Zigzag to add 2 more points, 8, 9, and then back to the start for 10. So a 10-pointed star again is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To draw a 14-pointed star, we zigzag more. So we do exactly what we did for 10, except we do more zigzags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zigzag, 12, 13 zigzag, 14. So I'll do 14 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And to draw an 18-pointed star, we do what we did for 14, but the way we start, we don't do a single point. So we do start with 1, 2, but then we do another one, 3, 4, and then we do all of our zigzags. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, And then for each of these gaps, we draw a line to the gaps. 10, 11, 12, and then back to the top right. 13. And then we do 2 more zigzags here. 14, 15, 16, 17, and then back to the start for 18. So I'll do 18 one more time. So first we draw the letter M. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do 2 zigzags to the top left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we draw lines to the gaps until we get to the top right. 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we zigzag down to the bottom left. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And there's actually another way of drawing the 10, 14, and 18 stars, which is that we can do what we were doing before. So for 10, we can draw, so this is a different way of drawing a 10-pointed star. So first we draw 5 points, which are the vertices of a pentagon. And then we start on the bottom left point, and we draw a line to the opposite edge of this pentagon. So we draw a line to the opposite edge. And then we draw a line to the next point on the pentagon, and then opposite edge. Next point, opposite edge. Next point, opposite edge. Point, edge, and back to the starting point. So I will do a 10-pointed star like this again. So first, 10 divided by 2 is 5, so we have a pentagon. 1 opposite edge, 2 point, 3 edge, 4 point, 5 edge, 6 point, 7 edge, 8 point, 9 edge, 10 point. And to draw a 14-pointed star, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we draw the vertices of a regular heptagon. So a heptagon has 7 sides and 7 vertices. And we start from the bottom left vertex and go to the opposite edge 1, next vertex 2, opposite edge 3, next point 4, edge 5, point 6, edge 7, point 8, edge 9, point 10, edge 11, point 12, edge 13, and finally the starting point 14. And we're also going slightly counterclockwise for this method as well. So each time we move the pencil, we go counterclockwise a little bit. And finally for 18, draw the vertices of a regular nonagon, which has 9 vertices. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.